So we got them all completed. We're down to this band. So what I want to do is measure from here. And if you'll look real close right there, I don't want it too tight. There's going to be plenty of nap to cover stuff. So I'm going to go about 4 3/8 with that. And I want to check all the way around to make sure it's good. It looks like it's actually getting a little lower right here. So I'm probably going to go 4 3/8 and then make it taper down to about 4 1/4 maybe. So let's check the length. I want to keep my tape measure all the way on the board real good. I'm going to cut it a little long anyway, so I'm going to do about 5 foot will be plenty. To go off of here. Okay, let's see. Like this. 4. Ouch. 3/8. Oh, rough crawling around on this deck. You good? Yep. So this right here is actually laminate, so it's going to be staying. This is plywood, so we're going to cover it. Did you take that kicker out? No. A little rough there with it. So what I want to do is just get it nice and pretty right there, and shoot me a few staples only in the edge. I don't want it to I'm going to cut that off a little bit. Oh, well. There we go. Okay. Now again, I just want to put staples right in the edge right there. I want to put enough to hold it because I'm actually going to bump this a little bit rather than putting a whole bunch of staples all the way around through here. All I want to do is a zoom, 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 and a boom, boom. Now all I want to do is wrap it right here. Get over there. And then I'm going to take my kicker, push that in, packer right there, make it nice and flat. Same thing at the top. Okay, so I'm going to take my kicker and lay it on its side. It'll work the same way like that. And push it in right there. Where I'm going to staple is going to be right dead in this crease. It'll be right dead in this crease, and it'll kind of define that little angle right there. So that's where I want to staple, because then I need it to go that way. So that's what I'm going to do. You're going to get too crazy, because it ain't like it's got to be super tight or nothing. I only kick it just to prevent from putting staples all over the place. Okay. Now that makes a nice little corner right there. Break that in. And then we can just cut right down there. Put another little couple staples right there to hold that. And we are going to be good. Okay. You ain't blades on you? Yep. I'm out. It feels funny after holding my blue one. So I should have trimmed this up a little bit more under here before I done that. I got this other lip coming down and getting in the way of the rug. Okay. And that is the band. So we are good. Vacuum them up and do a walk up and check them out.
So as always, if you came to my channel looking for help and you found help, please show your appreciation by hitting the subscribe button. And if you want Floors by Southern Boys to come install for you and you live in Southern Arizona, go to Bobby Joe's Rug Works on 22nd and Craycroft and Fort Lowell and Tucson. They have 2 locations, and just ask for the Southern Boys and they will hook you up. Thanks for watching.